Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a very simple program. We're going to create an array and we're going to loop through that array using for. Okay, to start off, let's create the array using my, and then this special sigil here, and names. We're going to assign it to a bunch of names like Bill, just random names, Sid, Joe, and Bob. Okay, so that's our array there. You can tell it's an array if I say names and dot what. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Raku. The name of the program new dot Raku. Hit enter there. So it's telling us that that's an array. Okay, so we'll carry on with this. So we've got the array sorted there. So we're going to use for, and then names, and then we have to do this and create a scalar name here, and then the curly braces there. Now we're going to print out the array. We're going to loop through it. So simply my name is, and then the scalar name. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run the program. Raku new dot Raku. Let's hit enter, and there you go. My name is Bill. My name is Sid. My name is Joe. My name is Bob. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.